Hello, you are watching an official Forever Legal MyCase tutorial presented by the Forever Legal Internship Academy. This video is designed to guide our current clients, prospective clients, and anyone seeking clarity on how to confidently navigate the MyCase client portal. Sit back, relax, take some notes, and let's begin.
Did you just receive your Welcome to MyCase email and need help navigating the portal? Well, here is the official Forever Legal guide. At Forever Legal, you will use the client portal to receive and share information with your attorney. Using the client portal means you will have access to your confidential case matters 24/7. The portal will allow you to send secure messages, view events, upload and share documents, comment on your case items, access your invoices, and make a payment. Once you have received your activation email from MyCase, go ahead and click Activate Now. It will then prompt you to enter your email and create a password. Once that is done, press Login. Once you have successfully logged into the portal, you will be able to view your home screen. The first item you should view is your Messages tab so that you can see your welcome letter and get next steps. Once you have fully read your welcome letter, you will upload your identification card and go to sign your retainer agreement and engagement letter. You will also be receiving a link shortly to pay that retainer. In order to complete these next steps, you will click on the Document tab at the top of your screen. Scroll to the bottom where it says Welcome Letter, click on it, and also click Download, and you will view the letter, read thoroughly, and signature at the bottom. You will then repeat these same exact steps in the same exact order for the client retainer agreement and engagement letter. To take a look at any important dates, unpaid invoices, or fund requests, you will click on the Billing tab at the top. Once there, you can select which invoice you wish to pay, as well as update or change your payment information. In order to pay your invoice, you will simply select which invoice you wish to pay, enter the amount, go to the bottom of the page, and select your payment method. Once you have selected your intended payment method, click on the Make Payment button at the bottom of your screen. In order to view any upcoming meetings or events, you will click the Events tab at the top. One of the best things about the client portal is the messaging feature. If for any reason you need to get in contact with your attorney, you will click on the Messages tab at the top, input your subject and message, and press the blue Send button. In order to view and complete any upcoming task, you will click on the Task tab at the top of your home section. Once there, if you need to upload a document, you will click on the blue button that says Upload Document. Next, it will prompt you to name, describe, and upload the document to the portal. Last but not least, if for any reason you need to make changes to your Forever Legal client portal, you will click on the My Account tab in the top right corner of your screen. This section allows you to update all mail settings, text message settings, and change or update your current password. At Forever Legal, communication and clarity matter. Welcome to the better client experience.